Excuse me po!
Ang love life mo ba ay parang somewhere down the road? Alam ba yung kantang yun? Di ba?
Naka-summer look na nga tayo.
Somewhere in this summer. Bakit ka mo? Kasi you got the right love at the wrong time.
Ha?
Huwag ipilit kung hindi pwede, uy.
Pag hindi kasya, wag ipasok. Pasikipan tayo ng... Pag natutunan ko mang insulto, talaga nang-iinsulto ako eh.
Kaya ko, support tayo sa mga...
Ay, hindi tayo supportive sa mga kaatraso natin.
Para sa mga katulad namin ni RG na hopeless romantic.
Hindi ako romantic, hopeless lang ako.
O kahit minsan ay hindi nagka-jowa. Minsan madaling kumagat sa pag-ibig na kahit hindi mo kayang panindigan. All because nape-pressure ka na magkaroon ng love life kasi sasabihin nila, huling biyahe na ng tren na nape-pressure ka na magkaroon ng love life. Kahit sino na lang dumating, kahit hindi mo naman talaga gusto okay lang na okay. O kaya dumating naman, okay naman ng tao, ikaw naman yung hindi ready. So on today's episode, we'll hear 3 questions and situations of love coming at the wrong time.
Diba? Wrong time.
Binabasa ko pa yung script.
Wrong time.
Wrong time.
Game. Kasi
madali lang yun ha. Buti pa to no, gumagana. Yung Samuel, hindi nakuha kahit isa eh.
Palang mukha nito ah.
Hindi pa natin nababasa.
Don't judge the book by its mouth. Joke lang. I'm crushing on our school president. However, he is rich, handsome, influential, and famous. Kulang na lang politika eh. And me, I am a nobody. Feeling ko di kami compatible, ano ka iPhone. Pero I still want to test the waters to see if I stand a chance, as I don't want to regret not trying. Amen, brother. Kung sa itsura naman, ang pag-uusapan, tingin ko naman ay may laban ako pagkachinita ko. Hindi tayo nagtutugma dito, brother.
Such confidence.
Should I pursue this even if magkaiba levels namin? Brad, agree ako sa regret, no regrets. Pero hindi ko alam kung agree ako sa confidence natin. But, ikaw muna.
Tingin ko, nabasa ko lang. Tingin ko, tanungin mo muna mag-imbestiga ka muna, ano muna ang preference niya. Unless, hindi niya kasi sinabi dito eh. Unless alam niya na kung anong preference ng school president.
Kasi malay mo, he might not be gay at all. He might be asexual for all we know.
Yeah.
He's attracted to literally nothing.
Nga, may ganun nga ngayon.
Ano tawag dito? Aromantic, asexual. Anyway, we're not here to judge the preferences.
Yeah.
Pero we're here to tell you na prefer ka niya ba? Ba't December love month tayo? Ewan ko eh. Anyway, we're not here to judge, pero I'll tell you right from the get-go, parang pumipili ng kuneho na kakainin bilang tigre. Siyempre, you want a big fat bunny. Ang tanong, does that big fat bunny seem attainable or nakalambitin siya sa puno? Kasi alam naman natin lahat, ang tigre hindi nakakakyat ng puno. Kasi, for the most part.
Kasi sabi niya dito, tingin niya daw may laban naman siya dahil chinito siya. Oo nga, pogi ka nga. Type ka ba?
Oo. Wait, let's not even talk about sexuality. Baka type niya pangit.
Kahit naman babae at lalaki.
Oo.
Diba may gwapo na babae? May gwapo na babae.
Objectively.
Gwapo na lalaki. Magandang babae. Pero
Objective.
ayaw nilang isa't isa.
Oo. Objectively, mukhang pogi ka. Pero subjectively, baka pangit ka sa kanya. Nagpa-floss eh. Di naman kita yung bewang.
Napakaganda ho ng bago naming set ngayon dahil hindi nyo nakita yung mga fat roll na
Oo.
dahil na dyan na alog yun pa.
From feeling loyal guy. Anonymous loyal guy.
Ano feeling?
Anonymous guy. Met this girl sa dating app and she's so beautiful. However, after some self-analysis, stoic? Mukhang hindi ko pa kayang magka-girlfriend. Okay, fine. Sige, that's reasonable. Ako kasi ang breadwinner ng pamilya namin. And sa kinikita ko as English tutor, respect, paki-correct na lang po ang grammar ko sa comments. most of the time, hindi pa sapat sa food and bills namin ang sweldo ko. But I really like this girl and don't wanna let her go. Alam mo, may kwento ako.
Go ahead.
Mapapabili dapat ako ng iPhone for someone and it's definitely not a girl. Just to be clear.
A guy?
My brother actually. Hi, Dalo. Pero una, it was too good for the price. Considering it was the iPhone SE na 2020. And two, malapit. Syempre, it's a lot of green flags. Mura, malapit. Pero at the same time, unrealistically mura. Pero did I want to get it? Yes. Pero I had to consider first na may mga expenses ako. May due date. I had my own needs.
Responsibilities.
Siyempre ako din nagpapakain sa, well, not all the time. Pero may share ako sa family. Ang point ko dito, if she's truly for you, she won't leave you immediately. Ganun
She can wait.
She can wait. Well, she won't wait for you literally, pero she'll be there. Option pa rin siya. Parang yung iPhone na yun, well, unfortunately, yung conclusion nun, hindi ko binili. Kahit nagkapera ako. Because talagang it felt off una. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, on deciding to buy it or not, sabi ko, kung nandyan pa yan next week, ibig sabihin para sa akin yan.
Tama. Kasi sabi mo nga, ikaw ang breadwinner. Di dapat unahin mo talaga yung pamilya mo. Sa kanila na lang sa'yo umaasa. Sa iyo na lang sila umaasa. Ngayon, kung tingin mo, tapos na responsibilidad mo doon at ayaw mo na nasa sa'yo rin naman yan.
Ayaw mo na.
Diba? Nasa sa'yo rin naman yan. Pero mukha sa pagkakasulat niya, mas importante sa kanya ang pamilya niya. Kaya torn siya between his family and the girl na nakilala niya sa dating app. Pwede nga, umamin ka na eh. Pero explain mo yung sitwasyon mo eh. Kaso ganito, ganyan.
And I wouldn't go that far naman.
Ay, hindi pa.
Ako, parang bangko lang. Mag-deposit ka, eventually, mag-build yan ng interest.
Okay.
Now, in the real world, ang bangko
Deposit paano? Paano deposit sa ganitong sitwasyon?
start the relationship and build interest.
Okay.
Kaibiganin mo. Maging chat buddies kayo.
Hindi naman necessarily romantic relationship.
Na agad. Parang bangko, as much as it sounds unrealistic with the returns on on interest today. Pero mag-deposit ka na, para ipon ka ng interest.
Ahead ka na kung may manligaw na iba sa kanya.
In short, pag pwede nang bumuelo, ibuelo mo na.
Ito na ang tanong.
I'm a 27-year-old guy. Please mabuhay ka pa. Kurt Cobain died at 27 years old. I have this guy best friend who has a girlfriend. Wait, wag muna tayo mag-judge.
Okay, just read first.
They've been together for 2 years now.
Okay.
And ang kaso, every time na makikita kaming barkada, lagi niyang kasama at alaga ang girlfriend niya.
Okay. Nagiging juicy.
He's breaking the bro code. Okay? Lagi rin akong kinakausap ng girlfriend niya which led me to develop feelings for her. Sorry, napatigil ako dun. Lalo na when there are times na sinishare niya sa akin mga tampuhan nila ng best friend ko. How spicy. I really feel that I could do better than her boyfriend. I could be a better boyfriend to her. What should I do with my feelings? Here? Or am I just a shoulder to cry on? From Anonymous Caretaker. Ano ka? Landlord? Grabe naman username.
So in other words, crush niya girlfriend ng boyfriend. Ay, girlfriend ng boyfriend niya. Girlfriend ng best friend niya ng guy. Okay.
Dog, I don't know where to
Get
begin.
a life.
Oo.
Don't do this.
We're not even answering. We're gonna end the video right here. You shouldn't be doing this. This is a bro code crime.
Yeah.
You're breaking the bro code. You're breaking the hoe code. All the codes. Kaya, that's it for today's
Ending code.
Kaya, that's it for today's video.
I'm Steven.
RG.
And let's deal with everything. In a snap. Hindi talaga namin sasagutin yun.
Oh, legit. Wala.
Closing na.
Closing na. You can go now.
End card na.
You can go now.
Watch this.
Bye.
Watch this.
Bye. Bye.